have some clunking noises in my B9S4, thinking it's control arms thoughts. Hard to diagnose your car
Yeah.
through the live chat. However, in general, when Audis start getting clunking noises in the front, control arms should be at the top of the list to check. We do offer control arms now because these do fail. In fact, these are our new density line upper arms for the B9 sedans like the S4, A4. These are long-lasting, long-life products with upgraded, stiffer inner bushings, very high-quality ball joints, and these are the kind of things that clunk. In general, if you go into your car and you look at these bushings, you'll start to see, in most cases, cracks, but you can see that the center sleeve can just be torn out from the outside sleeve, and you'll just see like munched up rubber.
Yeah, some surface cracking is normal on a rubber, but it goes way beyond that on these arms when they start to go.
Nate's right. Surface cracking isn't necessarily a reason to run out and change them, but they will tear completely. And so you want to make sure that the rubber in these bushings is integral and hasn't separated. Once it separates, or if you get big gaps in there, then that's when the clunking sounds. In fact, my Q7, which is 4 years old, I just had to replace all the lower arms. Clunking really bad. So yeah, but we're seeing these fail in B9s in our service departments as well as through customers. And another good point is the SQ5s with air suspension, due to the big range, it really torsions up the center sleeve, and it will eventually, stress on the bushing eventually will tear.
I mean, the ideal situation is these are supposed to be torqued at ride height. If you have a ride height that's changing, 4 inches, and you're in each different mode for any period of time, it can wreak havoc on a fixed rubber bushing.